In this micro lecture, we'll take a look at the book, a more robust Moodle resource you can use to present content within your topics. If you have a large amount of content that can be broken up into smaller sections, it's best to use the book resource. A book allows you to create chapters and subchapters to organize the information. Again, book chapters can contain text, images, videos, tables, lists, links, etc. To create a book, scroll down to the bottom of the topic and select Create Learning Activity. Go to the Resources tab, then choose Book. Give your book a descriptive name. Go ahead and add a brief description. Images can also be inserted into the description area. This will display alongside the chapter list. You can change how you want your chapter list to be displayed in the Appearance section. It's likely that you will not need to adjust any other settings. Choose Save and Display. This will take you to a page where you can start building out your first chapter. For the sake of demonstration, I will add some placeholder content to this chapter. Now, you're probably wondering how you will add your next chapter. This step actually requires us to click the Turn Editing On option. Now, we see some icons next to the chapter name. To add a new chapter, select the plus sign icon. I will add a fake chapter title and give it some placeholder content. To reorganize the chapters, select the Move Chapter Up or Move Chapter Down arrow icons. To go back in and edit your content, select the gear icon. To delete a chapter, select the trash icon. You can hide or show a chapter by selecting the eyeball, and you can add a chapter after the desired chapter by selecting the plus sign icon. To exit your book and return to the course, you will need to turn editing off.